How do I get Apache to follow Symlinks? In my Apache www folder, /var/www on Ubuntu 10.10, I have that I created with LNS. Now, if I want to see a listing of the files in MIDA from the web, I have to give Apache the directive follow Symlinks, right? But where do I put it? In a .txt file? Where? I tried many ways, but I don't understand it. This is my file.
There are two things here. Symlinks. Directory listing. Symlinks. Assuming /var/www is your document root for your default virtual host, you should find your default virtual host configuration file, probably, and put it inside that virtual host block, e.g. If you haven't changed anything, that option should already be there. Directory listing. To make Apache list the files in a directory, you need to enable the indexes option too, e.g. change. In. 2. Or, perhaps a more secure way is to change it to and put this in .access. Why .access doesn't work? By default, putting options in an .access file won't work because of the other entry in your config file, allow override none. That's why we have to put allow override indexes there. Allow override documentation.
The option must be used like this. Usually it's put in Apache configuration, httpd.conf or conf.d/ or sites enabled / inside a .c options, allow override, and in Apache documentation.
With the original, fresh, configuration on Ubuntu 14.04 with Apache 2.4.7, there is no need to change anything in star.conf to follow Symlinks created under /var/www/html. But it is necessary that user www data has access to all the path of Symlink target, even for virtual hosts, not only for Symlinks. For instance, in this example, user www data, or all users if you want, but can be dangerous, needs execute writes all the way to the directory. Need X writes in each of /path/path/to and /path/to/mirror. Also needs read permission on the target directory, and, depending of the goal of the directory, maybe user www data needs write permissions too. Clue was obtained from this URL.
I couldn't get this working until installing the AutoIndex Apache module. Out of numerous blog posts and forum posts, no one mentioned it being necessary. Hope this helps someone.
support the channel, please consider